Hey everybody, my name is Marcus Stone, and in this video I will show you how we can easily underline the text in Elementor. So let's start. The first thing you want to be each is an Elementor, and when you got it, just click on whatever text you got, go to Style, and then just Typography, and you're gonna see like the decoration here. That's what we are interested in. From none, you just want to press Underline. And then if I'm going to change the size of it, you can see the underline is still there. And that's pretty much it. And how simple was that, right? If you have any questions, guys, ask me down below in the comments. I'm really happy to help you and provide you some guidance, some support, and things like that. And thank you, see ya, and goodbye.